Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and welcome to my channel Nasib IT. So friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to create a logo of Xbox by using Adobe Illustrator. So let's start the video. So friends, at first we have to set up a page. To do it, we have to click on the file, then click on the new, then select and from here, then click on this box and type 315, then click on this box and type 2, then click on the create. After set up the page, you have to select the shape tool, then select the rectangle tool, then you have to draw the shape in here, then select this and drag this in here, then you have to select this and drag this in here, then you have to click on the fill, then select this color, then click on the stroke, then disable the stroke, then select the move tool, then select this and drag this in here, then press and hold shift key, then increase the size of this, then drag this in here, then you have to select the round shape, then press and hold shift key, then draw the shape in here, then select the move tool, then select this and drag this in here, then increase the size of this again, then click on the fill, then select the white color, then click on the OK, then select the move tool, then you have to select this, then drag this in here, then you have to select the pen tool from here, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve, then press and hold alt key, then click on the anchor point, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again, then you have to select the eyedropper tool, then select this color, then select the move tool, then you have to select this and increase the size of this, then drag this in here, then select this and increase the size of this again, then drag this in here, then you have to rotate this, then drag this in here, then select this again, then press and hold alt key, then take it off from this, then you have to rotate this, then increase the size of this and drag this in here, then you have to select this and drag this in here. After that, you have to select all layers, then you have to drag these layers in the center, then you have to select the shape builder tool, then you have to select this area, then select this area, then select this area, then you have to select this area, then press and hold alt key, then click on here, then click on here, then click on here, then select the move tool, then you have to select these layers again, then select the shape builder tool again, then you have to select this area from here, then select the move tool, then you have to select the shape, then you have to select the direct selection tool, then select this and drag this in here, then select the move tool, then select this, then select the direct selection tool, then select this and drag this in here, then select the move tool again, then you have to select this, then select the direct selection tool, then select this and drag this in here, then select the move tool again, then select this, then select the direct selection tool, then select this and drag this in here, then select the move tool again, then you have to select this layer, then you have to lock this layer, then you have to select this layer, then drag this layers in here. After that, you have to select this layers again, then you have to select the shape builder tool, then press and hold alt key, then click on here, then click on here, then you have to click on here, then click on here, then you have to click on here, 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 and here. Then select the move tool, then you have to select this, then you have to unlock this, then you have to select this, then select the shape builder tool, then you have to select this area, then select the move tool, then you have to select this, then select the shape builder tool again, then you have to press and hold alt key, then click on here, then select the move tool, then select this, then drag this in here, then press and hold shift key, then decrease the size of this, then drag this in here, Then you have to select the shape again, then lock this, then select this, then decrease the size of this. So now here you can see our logo design has been completed. Now we have to export this logo. To do this, we have to click on the file, then click on the export, then click on the export as. Then select the location, then type the logo name. Then select the PNG format, then click on the export. Then you have to select 300 ppi, then select transparent from here, then click on the OK. After exporting the logo, you have to open the Adobe Photoshop. So I am opening the Adobe Photoshop from my PC. After opening the Photoshop, you have to open the logo mockup. So I am opening this mockup. After opening the logo mockup, you have to double click on here. Then you have to double click on here. Then select this and click on the backspace. Then you have to open the exported logo. Then set this in here. Then you have to select this, then delete this. Then double click on here. Then type the company name in here. Then you have to select this, then click on here, then select this color. Then you have to click on the tick mark, then select the move tool, then increase the size of this, then drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark. After that, you have to press Ctrl plus S1 from keyboard. Then you have to close the project. Now here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.